Hi, I'm Alina from FTD Customs, and I'm here to talk to you about our brand new Reaper wheel. Again, my name's Alina, and I will be talking about our newest wheel, the Reaper. This size is going to be a 21, and it is our first cut of the Reaper wheel in black contrast, and it is made out of billet aluminum. Onto our polished floating rotors, we use these over matching rotors because they look better and they tend to last longer. And now we're going to move on to our TPMS sensor. For our wheels, when we use our TPMS sensor, this is the valve stem that we use. We do not use the 90-degree angle Harley valve stem. We will have a video linked under this video that will help you with that. Installation is super easy for you to do at home, but if you do have any questions, refer to the video or feel free to give us a call. And for our mounting and balancing, we do internal balancing with Dyna beads, just so you don't have any weights on the outside of your wheel because you're paying a good amount of money and you want your wheel to look good. For our lifetime warranty, we do believe in the quality that we give you as customers, so everything is made in the USA and we make everything in-house. For other models that we do make for, they will be all listed at the end of the video, and if you want to check out more styles and options, you can visit ftdcustoms.com. And that will be it for our 21-inch Reaper wheel.